Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to safely cut your own bangs at home without any mishaps. If you've been nervous about trying this, don't worry. I've got you covered with some easy steps to follow. Step 1. Creating the first triangle. First, I'll section out a triangle of hair from the front. This will be the base of our bangs. Make sure to start with a small section to avoid cutting too much too soon. Remember, it's always better to cut less. You can always go shorter later. Step 2. Gradually shortening the bangs. Once I've cut the first section, I'll create a smaller triangle within the first one. This time, I'll trim the hair just a little shorter. The goal here is to gradually build shape and length while playing it safe. Step 3. Refining the shape. Now, I'll repeat the process, creating an even smaller triangle and trimming the hair shorter again. By working in smaller sections, we can ensure the bangs look neat and layered without risking any uneven cuts. Step 4. Adding a layered effect. Finally, I like to give my bangs a layered effect. This adds movement and makes them look softer and more natural. It's a simple technique that makes a big difference. And that's it. I tried my best to make this process safe and easy for you to follow. Let me know in the comments if you found this helpful or if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.